Alright, what's going on, folks? John Booter here. So I'm gonna ride with some other people. They're waiting on me. Had to be that guy messing with the camera. A whole lot of people up here in Durango riding this trail. I don't know what it's called yet. I'll tell you when I get over there. Sorry, had to mess with the camera setup.
What's that?
Sorry, had to get the camera all hooked up. Yeah. Guess I'll buckle my helmet. Hi, I'm John.
Hey, Carl, this is you.
Hello.
How you doing?
All right. Want me to lead or who wants to lead?
I guess you can leave. We'll follow.
I'll wait at the top of the...
Sure.
Okay, that's fair. How fast are you on climbs?
Oh, kind of fat these days.
Yeah, right. That's true. We'll see what happens.
Sure. Making sure I don't. Yeah. Oh, this is cool. Smoothens out a little bit. Yeah, this is better. I thought it would go straight up the mountain. I was a little worried there. Wow, this is like pretty good surface for grip. It's steep. It looks sandy, but it kind of isn't. Yeah. Harder.
Oh yeah, the bigger wheels make a lot of things harder.
Yeah, I was trying to do manuals too, but like all I could get up was like right here.
I'm gonna build a manual machine. In fact, LA did build one. You made it! 1 mile!
A manual machine?
Yeah, dude, it's
What is
awesome.
that?
It sandwiches, LA made one. It sandwiches your back tire,
What?
and so you can't fall side to side.
Oh, no
And
kidding.
they just pull up and try to stay in the manual.
Oh, that's cool.
There you go. Oh, yeah.
I don't mind.
Some roots in the way. Yeah, that's challenging because there's shadows, kind of hard to see where all the roots are and the rocks. It's fun though. Oh wow, really right next to the edge right there. There's a rock. That's pretty cool. You're like right next to the edge right there a couple times. Oh yeah. Oh. Nice.
All right, let's go.
Might be cool. Wow, this is nice. No pedaling. Little bumps. Hey, a bridge. That was pretty fun. Huh. A whole bunch of rocks all of a sudden. Lost that momentum there.
It's like average stuff for like Durango riders. Everybody up here is so good.
Oh, jeez.
We had a race series come through here.
Oh, yeah?
And I rose in Purgatory actually in LA, and I had made our video.
Cool.
And the race guys, I don't know where they were from. Where did they come in from? LA?
Who?
At Purgatory, the race guys? Is that California?
Texas.
Texas.
Yeah, Austin.
That's right.
Because they have that bike park over there, Spider.
The new one?
I think that's where they, I think that's like their...
I heard the guys talking, and they were like, come to Durango, and you get these people who are just like 30-year-old intermediates,
Yeah.
and you can't even catch them. Like, they're just so good in Durango.
Jeez.
And I'm like, that's what makes me feel like such a shitty rider all the time, is because I'm up against otherwise pros who are just like bored college students in Durango. You ready?
Wow.
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. So the rest of the climbing was basically from here
Yeah.
right up there. You can see how steep that might be getting.
Yeah.
But
So it goes all the way to the top, basically?
no. It goes on
there's-
the other side of them,
Oh,
but closer than we are,
cool.
like way closer. But anyways, and from there, from that point up there, it's just a riot on the way down the whole way.
Wow.
And we're about to hit like the funner part of it,
Uh,
but it's really a lot more fun if you do the whole thing.